Enter my forge. The door is ajar. Fear not the smoke and sparks. Goivnu works the blooming steel with Credna the king's silver arm. This is no hearth of ancient hall. My fires are drawn from the deep. They home the hooves of war, house blades and golden sheets. Here is no Colleen, no soft woman. Leave your crossed rushes by the door. Bind them dry and bind them tight to kindle the flames of Mogtara. Hammer hard, bend the earth, pour your molten blood forth. It glints of gold in the tinna of tin and measures all men's worth. In here, we are wraiths of darkness, lit by the crash and collision of stars. Our faces whispers of constellations in this other world, Scríab Clan Ishnach. Oak and buckthorn burn till lose day. Watch the flue and drowning clay. Light the bogland, fall to Svagnum, gift your bones to the Tuatha. This is the workshop of a sacred light. This I held true under cloak of night, while breast played the binding king and Dagda bound to Fomorian whim. The Morrigan fights with raven's wing, Bav hauls the executioner's axe. Who casts her steel that cuts life's strings? Who speaks to iron its power to hack? A queen of Ireland, an anvil witch, who broke the shackles, Bress's bitch. Hammer hard, beat the bellows, my king awaits in the burning meadows. Beat, beat, beat the metal, till the blade is sharp as eagle's talon. Let it tear his skin and clutch his heart, sting him hard and spread like nettle. I am Brigid. I am the smith. I am crack of ash in a bloody dawn. I am the beater of the morning sky. The stars fly up from my hammer's hit. Brigid, breed, bringer of spring. I am the high one. I am the exalted one. Ta athna guiv uram agus an gjarta. Chui noi shiv uram.